Welcome back, Reading First Grade. Happy Friday of spring break. I am posting another story today from Tales of Amanda Pig by Jean Van Leeuwen and pictures by Ann Schweninger. Let's look at our table of contents. We've read Amanda's Egg, The Very Long Trip, The Monster, and now it's time to read about The Fight. Dun dun dun! So I'm turning to page 39. The Fight. "Let's play house," said Amanda. "You always want to play house," said Oliver. "Let's play monsters." "How do you do that?" asked Amanda. "Simple," said Oliver. "You are you, and I am the monster, and I come to eat you up." "No," said Amanda. "Amanda's afraid of monsters," said Oliver. "Amanda's afraid of monsters." "I am not," said Amanda. "Then let's play," said Oliver. "I am the terrible Booba monster. I see a nice fat baby. The Booba monster likes to eat nice fat babies." "I'm not playing," said Amanda. "And I'm not a fat baby." "If you think so, you can get out of my room." "You can't make me," said Oliver. "The Booba monster does what he wants." "Father," said Amanda, "Oliver is bothering me." "Amanda is bothering me," said Oliver. "Maybe you should play by yourselves for a little while," said Father. "Mean, dumb Oliver," said Amanda. "Go away and never come back." "Fat baby Amanda," said Oliver. "Don't worry, I won't." He slammed the door. "Ah, peace and quiet," said Amanda. She sat at her rabbit and her monkey and her little table. "I am the mother," she said, "and you are the babies. Come on, rabbit, eat your egg. Eggs make you big and strong." "No, I don't know when Father will come home." Amanda went to the living room. "I have nothing to do," she said. "I thought you were playing house," said Father. "It was no fun alone," said Amanda. "I have nothing to do either," said Oliver. "Maybe you can play together now," said Father. "Come to my room," said Amanda. "The babies are waiting for the father to come home." "I still don't want to play house," said Oliver. "How about Monster House?" said Amanda. "I'll be the mother monster, and you can be the father monster." "Well," said Oliver, "okay." "Come on, Father Monster," said Amanda. "Where are we going, Mother Monster?" asked Oliver. "I know where there are some nice fat babies," said Amanda. "Let's go eat them up." The end of that story. So I noticed in this story that Amanda and Oliver just kept fighting over what they wanted to play, and it reminds me of Second Step and how we've been learning about making compromises when people want to play. And I really liked when Amanda and Oliver decided that they could play together and that they could play Monster House, which was a little bit of what they both wanted to do. Now, some of you might be home with your brothers and sisters and maybe getting into some fights. But remember, it's always fun to play together.